So welcome to Livigno, one of the ski resort here in Lombardy region. So as you can see on my actual video, the snow is still falling and there's a snow blizzard at the moment, and supposed to be we should arrive here earlier than 12 o'clock, but there's a problem with the main road going here, so we only have 2 hours to explore this beautiful ski resort, and it seems that nobody had came here yet like oh my god, gumagapang na ako sa gumagapang na ako sa so we're looking for a better place to, you know, to capture some good scenery, but unfortunately as you can see, the whole area is totally white because it's all covered with the snow. That's understood, but we will try to see something where we can capture a better, you know, a better photos, better videos. Let's go and discover. These chalet and houses are all hotels, Airbnb, and ski resorts. But unfortunately for these seasons, almost all the houses are empty because of this, you know, we are having still a pandemic and a problem here, and the ski resort here is not yet totally open. It's like a ghost town. As you can see, only few people are here, so let's explore more.
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. everybody shake it, baby.
So there's nothing to show off because we only have a limited time. So I only have 1 hour to explore this ski resort, and 1 hour is not enough actually, because we arrived here so late, as I've told you, and it's 3 o'clock. The snowstorm had just finished and the sun is about to show, so the place is getting clear. But then again, I'm not yet satisfied because I don't have any photos that are, that I can say that I'll be treasured forever, and a photo that will be a part of my memories in this place. It's my first time here, and unfortunately there's no such events here, or only few people are here, which is a good thing because I can remove my mask and then I can do what I want. But the problem is it's fully covered with the white snow, so I cannot take the photos that I want, even though I'm trying to have at least 5 good photos. So let's just explore more this ski resort, this is ski area, and then later on, if we have time, we are going to the city center of this place. So eme lang tayo. So I was wearing white, I'm wearing a Zara, so totally all lavender. So there you go, the sun is coming now and the area is getting clear and clearer. And as you can see, all the beautiful the houses, the chalet and the hotels here are already visible, and even the mountain, not unlike a while ago, it's totally white, covered with white. So that's it. It's a beautiful scenery. Refreshing to breathe, a cold air from the snow, and I was expecting that it's super cold, but once you're here in the area and you are continue walking and exploring the area, the more you feel, your body become hot. You don't feel the cold actually. So the smell is so refreshing, so fresh. It's kinda new air away from the city. The snowstorm is already finished. The sun is about to come out. Actually, it's already house. And the area is already clear. Blah, blah. I'm having a tongue twister. So let's go and see and check the wooden houses here. It's really so beautiful. Actually, this place is in between Italian Alps and Swiss Alps. So it's a border between Italy and Switzerland. So no wonder too snowy here. La 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 la. At syempre, bago natin tapusin ang video na to, kasi wala naman tayong masyadong ganap, I would like to say thank you to Ate Nida na sa aking kasakasama. Say hello, Ate Nida.
Hello, hi.
Yes, siya ang aking videographer ulit. Nagtsaga na nag-videographer sa akin. Thank you so much, Ate.
Okay, welcome.
Actually, nasa ano kami, nasa parang nasa path kami ng nag-ski. Dapat hindi pala kami dito tumatambay. Kaya pala tingin ng tingin sa amin yung mga yung mga mga skaters. Gawa nga ng nasa area kami ng ng skating area. So ayun, puputulin na natin ang ating ganap. And I hope you just enjoyed a little bit. Hindi ko na kayo masyadong may explore na puntahan natin yung mga iba't ibang lugar dito kasi may mga kasi dito may mga establishment na close pa rin. And then yung ano bang tawag tayo yung yung transport sa taas? Funiculare ba yon? Yung funiculare hindi rin siya nag-ooperate, so I want to experience that, pero sa ngayon wala kasing hindi nag-ooperate siya. And I don't know if the tourism sector here is fully operational now, pero usually at this year and at this month punuan na ng tao dito but unfortunately alam nyo naman ang sitwasyon. So yun, no masyadong ganap, no masyadong hanas. And once again, see you on my next vlog. Hopefully we are getting okay and slowly we are getting normal on the situation here, and hopefully nalubog siya si ate. Magpapaalam na sana kung lumubog si bigla siya. Sige, lumubog ka dyan. Kita-kits na lang tayo sa I'll see you in the river. So bago ang lahat, thank you so much for your time and thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Once again, this is JHOPAY'S Adventure. I'll see you all and thank you so much.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.